Hi, I'm Hope. I work for Susquehanna National Heritage Area. We're a nonprofit organization that offers tours and experiences that connect people to the local history of York and Lancaster County. Right here, we're at the Susquehanna River down in York County at the Zimmerman Center for Heritage. But when you step onto our river discovery boat tours, you're going to explore the entire lower Susquehanna River from Columbia down to Safe Harbor. Our boat tours operate on a 1912 wooden electric boat that's named the Chief Uncas. This boat originally sailed up at Lake Otsego in New York and is now on the southern end of the Susquehanna. It was originally purchased and built for the Adolphus Busch family, so it has quite a reputation and was a boat in the 19-teens and the 1920s, cruising for the wealthiest Americans. Now it's available to all of the public. It's a 1-hour cruise. It takes you through a circuitous route around the river. You get to see the history of dams, the history of the recreation. We talk about early Civil War history, railroad history, and of course the natural and geological history of the river. You can also come on a sunset cruise for 90 minutes and bring your own wine or beer, bring a little snack to nosh on, and enjoy the sunset over the Susquehanna. So this is a place that is here to connect you to river history. It's here to connect you to the history of York and Lancaster County so that you can be a better steward of the river, you can be a better caretaker of the culture we have here, and have some community pride in our two counties of York and Lancaster. From here at Susquehanna National Heritage Area, we're excited to have you down on the Susquehanna River. We hope that you'll come join us for a boat tour. Thank you.
For more information, visit discoverlancaster.com.